Gravity, an invisible force, is the glue that holds our universe together. It is the reason why planets orbit the sun, why the moon orbits the earth, and why we stay grounded on Earth's surface. But what if this fundamental force suddenly disappeared? Let's explore the benefits of gravity and the potential effects of its absence on human life. Gravity is the unsung hero of our daily lives. It keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground, preventing us from floating off into space. It allows for the existence of an atmosphere, which provides us with air to breathe and protects us from harmful solar radiation. Gravity also drives the water cycle, allowing for precipitation, the formation of rivers, and ultimately, the existence of life as we know it. Gravity also plays a vital role in shaping ecosystems. It influences the movement of air and water, which are essential for life. Gravity drives the flow of rivers, which carve out landscapes and create habitats for various species. It also affects the weather and climate by influencing air and water currents. Gravity has also indirectly led to many technological advancements. The need to overcome gravity has led to developments in fields like aviation and space exploration. Understanding and manipulating gravity has allowed us to fly, send satellites into orbit, and explore other planets. Interestingly, gravity also affects how we perceive time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity can bend space-time. This means that time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields. So, gravity not only shapes our physical world but also our perception of time itself. Moreover, without an atmosphere, life as we know it could not exist. Plants, which rely on carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, would die off, disrupting the food chain and leading to mass extinctions. Humans, along with all other terrestrial life forms, would be exposed to the harsh conditions of space, including extreme temperatures and lethal doses of cosmic radiation. In conclusion, gravity, while often overlooked, plays a crucial role in our lives and the functioning of our planet. Its sudden absence would lead to catastrophic changes, highlighting the delicate balance that allows life to exist on Earth. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it underscores the importance of understanding and appreciating the fundamental forces that shape our universe. If gravity were to suddenly disappear, the immediate effects would be catastrophic. Without the force of gravity holding us down, everything not attached to the Earth would begin to float away. This includes everything from people and animals to cars, buildings, and even the top layer of the Earth's crust. The absence of gravity would also mean that the air in our atmosphere would no longer be held in place. This would result in the air expanding away into space, leaving the planet without an atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, there would be no air to breathe, no protection from solar radiation, and no medium for sound to travel through. The effects on human life would be devastating. Without gravity, humans would lose muscle and bone density, as our bodies have evolved under the constant presence of gravity. This is evident from the health issues faced by astronauts who spend extended periods in the microgravity environment of space.